And I'm Santana.
And we're best friends.
What do you like most about Tools for Life?
That you can help other people with their problems and bond with them.
And it's a better way to solve your problems.
If there is anything you can change about Tools for Life, what would it be and why?
I would change that we would do Tools for Life in every class, every day.
Just like the fact that Tools for Life is only on Tuesdays.
What tool do you use the most and why?
The tool that I use the most is compromise because we always work in groups when we're doing Tools for Life.
What do you remember most about your Tools for Life lessons?
Stop, think, and make a decision.
What tool do you use the most often and why?
Chance, because I like to give everybody a fair chance.
What do you have to say about students that are having a conflict?
They need to work it out.
And how should those students work it out?
They need to get face to face, no arguments, and be calm.
Good job.